Hello, my name is Knox and I would like to welcome you to my channel. In this video, we'll be grilling chicken shish kebab or chicken barbecue. Yeah, chicken barbecue, chicken barbecue. For this chicken barbecue, we need 4 pounds of chicken thigh, 4 to 3 pounds, and we have a half cup of brown sugar, half cup of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup of soy sauce, and then we have lemon, and then we have dry bay leaves, and then salt and pepper. Also, we need a barbecue stick. You can get that one in any store. So this time we are going to cut our chicken. First, we are going to take the skin out. Alright. Take the skin out and then we're gonna debone it. Just take the bone out. And then we're gonna cut this one lengthwise. So I'll cut it this way. Should be better. There you go. Yep. So we just keep on the process, keep doing that way. We'll cut it half. There you go. Now the chicken is cut and clean. Now we are ready to put all our ingredients and mix it over here. And we're gonna marinate this either overnight or about an hour. So this time we're just gonna do an hour. But if you want a really good tasty chicken shish kebab, you can actually marinate this for overnight, and boy, tell you what, your chicken will look so good and taste so good. The first thing we need to do is we're going to pour our soy sauce. Here's the soy sauce. And then next I'm gonna pour the pineapple. So pineapple. Also we're gonna add our vinegar. So 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And then garlic. Minced garlic. Yes. And the minced garlic. Brown sugar, and then we're going to add the dry bay leaf, black pepper, and then salt. And lastly would be lemon. So we are going to put our lemon and then just squeeze it. There you go. All right. We'll get the other one. Oops. Alright, so we're just gonna mix this one gently. Make sure that they're all incorporate it over here. And oh my goodness, this one looks really, really good now. So we're just gonna mix it and marinate this one. This time we're just gonna marinate for 1 hour, okay? All right, we'll get our wrap. And we're just gonna wrap it. Alright, this time we are ready to put our chicken in our steak. So the first thing you need to do is get your steak and then get your meat and then we're gonna screw it. Skew it. Alright, so you take a meat and then just like that. Careful though, because sometimes this one is really sharp and you don't want to stick yourself in there. Okay. Oh, look at that. All right, here you go. Our first shish kebab stick. So for our topping, what we're gonna do, what we need is oil, honey, soy sauce, and ketchup. So we're gonna put 1 cup of each, okay? So first I'm gonna take the ketchup and we're gonna mix it together, and we're doing this, guys, so that our meat won't be so dry. Okay, so mix it well, and after this, guys, I'm gonna start the grill. Okay, I have my Pumper Chef grill over here, so we are going to grill our shish kebab over here, and then while we're doing that, we're going to continue mixing our sauce. Right, I am ready. Let's go do it. We're gonna put this one first. All right. So this time I'm gonna cover it and then we'll wait until 10 minutes. Alright, let's go check it out. Nice, very nice. Now what I'm doing is I'm gonna put the base so that it won't dry out. Check it out. Woo, look at that. Looks so yummy. Alright, let's go do the finishing touches. And this should be done. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat this. Oh wow. All right, I'm gonna taste it. Let's see. Mmm, delicious. Oh my goodness. It's pretty good. Now guys, I hope you can recreate this one in your house, in your home, in your own kitchen. And I'm so excited to share this one with you. And I hope that you will like this recipe too. It's very simple and it's easy. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching Fun Cooking with Knox. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe down below and like this video and share. And as always, thank you and I love you and God bless. Mabuhay. Bye.